Okay, fam. I woke up excited to shoot the first episode of Fish in the Midwest with Big E, and just to discover that my trailer tire was wobbling. So I brought it back home to check it out, and this is what I found out. Well, I avoided a major disaster there on the highway, and it's a good thing I came back home. So I guess it's safe to say that the burns is out on that thing. Uh, until next time, tight lines.